What if I create a YouTube channel and nobody subscribe? What if I make a video and post and nobody watches? What if I made a video and post, I end up having no views, nobody watches, no subscribers? What if, what if, what if? The fear of getting started on YouTube. What if I tell you that your first video might be the one that will blow you up? What if I tell you that your first video will be that video that will announce you or your YouTube channel? Why not just start? It's just on your head. What if I challenge you to create a YouTube channel and make a post today? Yes, I am challenging you. Create that YouTube channel, make your first video and post it. Let's see. Get over that what if. The fear of getting started. Remove that what if out of your brain. Remove it out of your head. What if nobody watches? What if nobody subscribes? What if this? What that? What if this? I don't want to fail. What if I fail? It is better for you to start and fail than never to start at all. And once you fail, it is better to learn from your mistake. Yes, and keep going than to fall and remain on the floor. Once you fall, you have to get up and get going. Yeah, it is normal in YouTube. As a new YouTuber, it is normal for you to complain. It is normal for you to have all those thoughts of failure. What if nobody watches? What if nobody subscribes? What if I end up having no views? This, that, that. It is normal to complain, but what it is not normal is that you not starting the journey. They say a journey of 1,000 miles starts with a step. As you are watching me right now, anything, any thought that you have on your head that is making you not to kickstart your YouTube channel in 2025, get up right now, challenge yourself. See, yes, let me give it a try. Yeah, let's start with this. Give it a try. Create that YouTube channel today, make your video and post it. Let's see. I am challenging you now. What if that your first video blow up? It is all on your head. I know you have been giving these excuses. You are busy. You are not busy. You are scared. You are not busy at all. You and I, we know this. You are not busy. You are scared. I chatted one of my friend up earlier, some times ago. I say, babe, why haven't you started your YouTube journey? Don't you know that YouTube pays? Get out of that TikTok and create a YouTube channel today. She was like, okay, I'll start in next year, which is 2025. This is the year. No worry. I will still go and knock on her door again. She said she will start, that she need camera, she need ring light, she need this, she need that. She was even measuring the type of ring light that she wants, like the one that have mirror, so that when she will be doing video, she will be watching herself. Oh my goodness. What if eventually you don't have money to buy that kind of ring light? Your dream of starting your YouTube channel is gone. So if you are watching me right now, I know you've been giving yourself excuses upon excuses. You might be thinking YouTube is not the app you should be on. YouTube belongs to celebrities or people that have money. Oh my goodness. What if I tell you that your environment doesn't matter? The way you talk doesn't matter. Nobody cares. Where you stay and make your videos doesn't matter. Just set that camera and talk to the camera. Talk as if you're talking with your friend. Okay? Talk as if you're advising someone. Someone is there, you're talking with the person, one-on-one conversation you get. I still talk with one of my friend again. She was like, Gina, I prefer TikTok to YouTube. Really? And I asked her, really? You prefer TikTok to YouTube or you are scared? You and I know that you are scared. Why are you telling me that you prefer TikTok to YouTube? Are you trying to tell me that TikTok is much more better than YouTube? She was like, no, she's not saying that. So, but for her, she preferred TikTok to YouTube because TikTok is so easy to operate. TikTok is fun, is full of fun. TikTok is this, that you get, but YouTube, they see YouTube as a place whereby it is difficult to get your audience, it is difficult to get views, it is difficult to get subscribers. But all that is just on your head. Just start it. Why not start? Start first. If you fail, you still pick up yourself. When you fail, a failure is a success. Don't you know? For me, someone that starts something and fail, it is 100% better than someone that doesn't try at all or even start. Yes, it is better for you to start and fail. I know that, okay. Do you know that when you start and fail, if you want to start again, you know that, okay, this was the problem. This was what caused me to fail the other time. I will not repeat it again. But someone that did not even start at all, everything on his or her head was like, what if, what if, what if, and the person wants to start, he will still fall under your failure, that same mistake that you made. You get, but you that have already made the mistake, you will be like, okay, I'm starting afresh this time around. Let me avoid so thing. I don't want to make that kind of mistake again. You get. So she's scared. She's scared of starting her YouTube channel because she feels like she knows so much about YouTube. You have to have a nice background, camera, microphone, this, that. Come on. YouTube now is way much like YouTube is giving opportunity to new YouTubers to build yourself. Having to see some of the videos that people are creating, just walking on the streets, recording themselves and post, they'll be having views. YouTube wants you to be yourself. They don't expect much from you. So why are you scared of starting your YouTube journey? Why are you scared? Why not start? Remove away every thought of what if, and give it a try. Yes, let's start with this. Create a YouTube channel today, make your first video and post it. Let's see. Post it, let's see, give it a try. You may be thinking you have bad phone, your phone camera is not clear enough, you don't have good clothes, you don't have nice background, you don't know how to record YouTube videos because they said YouTube videos you must video it in a horizontal way, not in a vertical way. What if I tell you that if you start it in that way now, you would love it? Because I can take myself for example. When I first started to recording YouTube videos, it seems somehow difficult for me. But when I keep on practicing it, I can tell now that yes, I'm comfortable with it. I'm even more happier now to make my videos in a horizontal way than in a vertical way because I'm loving it. I'm having that passion right now. I bet you if you start, you will start having passion. And the best way for you to have that passion is that you do not have any other niche than you niche. The best niche that you can have for you to be easy to make this YouTube journey easy for you is for you to have that you niche. The you niche can never fade away. The you niche can never get you tired. The you niche can never get you frustrated. The you niche will make you have passion and fun doing it. What did I mean by the you niche? The you niche is you. You are the niche. You don't need any other niche. Because when they ask you to choose a niche, you will feel like YouTube is saturated. What if I tell you that YouTube is not saturated? YouTube have every single space for new. YouTube have every single space for new YouTubers. There's a space for you to start. Yes, YouTube have that special space for you to be on YouTube. So do not feel like YouTube is saturated. And I know that the only way for you to feel that way is when they ask you to choose a niche. Coming into YouTube, scrolling through your FYP, you will be seeing different niches, or you want to start teaching people how to build their YouTube channel, and you are seeing thousands to millions of people on that same particular niche, and you feel like, oh my god, I can't do it. YouTube is too saturated, it's full of this. What I want to do already, people already know about it. My goodness. Oh goodness. I know I so much love these quotes, and please, I will advise you to take it today. Hmm? Everything in this world have been said and posted on YouTube, but it have never been said or done by me. It have never been said or done by you. So that is the perfect, that is how to go about it. The unique. You are thinking everybody have done it. But you, have you done it? Let's hear from your own side too. What do you have to say concerning one particular topic, say it in your style, say it in your own niche, in you niche. Don't say it the same way the other content creators said it. They might be telling you that copy this, recreate, and now you are tired because you've been recreating the same thing that this same particular content creator is doing. You have been recreating the same topic, trying to make it perfect. Oh my goodness, trying to make it stand out. My dear, just do yourself. Do yourself. Do yourself. In this way, you will have passion in creating content. Oh, I got it now. You are not comfortable on camera. You are not comfortable on camera. You don't know how to face your camera. Well, I came across Dan the Creator's one of his videos some times ago when he was saying how he started his YouTube journey. The first time he had that fear of facing camera, that he wasn't comfortable on camera. But the best way for him to get rid of that he faced was that he every day he will on his phone camera, use the microphone, speak to the phone, and save the video every day, like 1 week to 2 weeks, till he killed out being uncomfortable in front of camera. Why can't you do it? Do it this way. Let's see. Set your phone camera every day. Speak to that your camera. Speak to that your phone as if you're talking to that your best friend every day, or let me say, do it like 3 times a day and be saving it. I know with this you get rid of that being uncomfortable in front of camera. So I've given you that tips today. Do not give me excuse that you don't have time, this, that. I know you're scared. If you're guilty any of this one to kickstart your YouTube journey in 2025, watch this video, let it motivate you today, and please create that YouTube channel today. Start on a niche. The best niche I told you earlier for you to base on is the you niche. That is the only niche that will make you comfortable on camera, give you that passion, and make you have fun with it. And as you're coming to YouTube, always put it in mind that it is okay for you to have low views. It is okay for you to have no subscribers, but do not give up. Keep going. You are just a video away. Don't you know that the more you create, the more you learn, the more you feel comfortable on camera, the more you notice your error and mistakes and correct it. So it is better for you to start it and learn from your mistake than not start at all. So what are those things? What is that thing that have been holding you back, holding you still from starting your YouTube channel? Put it on the comment section below. Please create your YouTube channel today. After watching this video, create it today because there is fun in YouTube. I bet you when you start, you will fall in love with YouTube. YouTube is the best. YouTube is the best platform ever for you to be on because there is fun in it. Do not see it afar. Come close. There is fun in YouTube. YouTube is the best app, yes, because at first I was scared too, but here I am today, even advising you that you should start. So why you don't want to start? Why you don't want to start? Let's go. I have a YouTube channel before. I made a mistake, learned from it. Now here I am starting afresh again. So why you don't want to kickstart yours? I am waiting for you. Make your first video and tag me. Make sure you tag me because I want to watch your first YouTube videos, like it and comment. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe to this amazing channel. Let me keep motivating you. Thank you for watching.